Successful coders create and improve. When someone sets an alarm clock to make a noise at the same time every day, that is coding. When someone plays with a remote-controlled car, that is coding. When you see traffic lights changing from one color to another, that is coding. If you've ever seen a firework display or a drone display, they were put together with coding. There was a really good example on the 1st of January 2021 where there was a firework and drone light display above the Millennium Dome in London. The drones made it look as though the bird was flapping its wings and as though Captain Tom was raising his thumb. If you haven't seen that, watch the video. Now let's look at some more details of what it's like to write programs, or how you can write programs. You could use something called Bluebot, which has buttons on it that you can press to make it go in different directions. There's Scratch and Scratch Junior, Lego WeDo and Kodu. You might use some of those here at primary school. So how can you write programs? Well, first of all, you need to find something useful to code. Then you need to learn the language so that you give instructions that work. And then normally you have to fix problems as well. Let's look at some words that help us to understand coding. Now, an algorithm is a set of instructions that we complete in order to achieve a task. Here are two ways of showing an algorithm for getting up in the morning. One is with pictures and one is with blocks. So when the alarm rings, you can repeat up to 3 times by hitting the snooze button and waiting until the alarm rings again. But eventually you need to turn off the alarm, get up, shower, get dressed and eat breakfast. And then you might have a choice. If the weather is sunny, then walk to school, but if not, then you might need to ride to school with a parent. Everything we've just seen in that flowchart is also in these blocks as well. You might find though that you have a bug, and a bug is a problem in your algorithm which stops it from working. It could also be called a glitch. If you have a bug, then you need to debug, and when you debug, you need to get rid of the bug in your algorithm so that everything works. You'll also have different variables. Now, a variable is a piece of information which we can change, and vary, the root word of variable, means change. A variable could be numbers, letters, or yes or no.